Flip the unit over. Remove 3 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over. Open it up. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover, and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lay the palmrest down. Peel back the tape. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Lift up the foam covering to remove. Peel back the tape and remove 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and pop the touchpad free. Insert the touchpad back into the palmrest. And replace the 3 2mm screws into the touchpad. Plug the touchpad cable back into the touchpad. Be sure to replace it underneath the foam covering. Lay the palmrest down. And plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the palmrest, and gently push down to snap it back into place. Close the unit, flip it back over, and replace the 3 7.5mm screws and 6 6mm screws.